Okay, ladies and gentlemen, family members, welcome back. Of course, it's Human Face, Humanity First, uplifting all souls across the board. So today, of course, is Tuesday, the 2nd of January 2024. So today we are again here with another story. Okay, our story for today is Oliver, the narcissistic abuse survivor. Oliver, the narcissistic abuse survivor. This is the story of a young orphan who was living with his uncle and one of his cousins, and he endured so much narcissistic abuse. Okay, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and quaint cottages lived a young man named Oliver. Orphaned at a tender age, he found solace in the warmth of his uncle's house. Oliver's uncle, a charismatic figure in the community, presented a facade of kindness to the outside world. Behind closed doors, however, he harbored a dark side. His cousin Richard followed suit, perpetuating a cycle of narcissistic abuse that ensnared Oliver in his suffocating grip. As days turned to months, Oliver's once vibrant spirit began to wither. His uncle's cutting remarks and Richard's relentless taunts clipped away at his self-esteem. The home that was meant to be sanctuary became a battlefield, each word an emotional blow, leaving scars on Oliver's fragile soul. Loneliness became Oliver's constant companion. The pain of rejection echoed through the silent corridors of existence. His uncle and cousin reveled in their power, manipulating Oliver's emotions with manipulated precision. Gaslighting became a twisted art, wrapping his perception of reality until he questioned his own worth. One fateful night, as the weight of the torment became unbearable, Oliver tumbled upon a dusty journal tucked away in a forgotten corner. The worn pages revealed the tales of another soul who had weathered the storm of abuse and emerged stronger. Inspired by this survivor's resilience, a flicker of hope ignited within Oliver's heart. With newfound determination, he quietly began to rebuild the fragment of his shattered identity. Seeking solace in written words, he poured his pain onto paper, transforming the ink into a lifeline of catalysis. Slowly, the power of self-expression became his shield against the emotional onslaught. One day, as courage welled within him, Oliver confronted his uncle and cousin, breaking the chains that bound him to their toxic influence. The journey to healing was audacious, but with each step, Oliver reclaimed the stolen fragment of his identity. In the end, Oliver emerged from the shadows, a testament to the strength that lies within even the most broken spirit. The small town, once unaware of the darkness that looked behind closed doors, witnessed the triumph of resilience over cruelty. A testament to the indomitable spirit of a young man who refused to be defined by the scars of his past. Ladies and gentlemen, family members, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I love you all. I'll see you again on the next video. Goodbye.